Hi, welcome. We are working very hard to add stuff to our repos. You've been seeing that in the last posts. And there's a new one. And it's called sudo pacman-s surfn, and then just use your tab. There's the surfn arc breeze icons that's specifically created for Plasma, so that's this one. And then there's the surfn icons, which is present as well. So it's well, this is a standalone, but this guy, surfn-mint-y-icons, is the new one, and this one needs the surfn icons as a dependency. So if you want to install surfn-mint, and what's that? Then it will add also the surfn icons if you don't have it yet. So you'll have two lines. As a dependency, you need the surfn-mint-y-icons with the other one, the surfn. Now, this is the look in, what is that? That's Dolphin, and that's the look in Tunar. And if you make the choice with Ctrl-Alt-M for mother, and you get icons, and you can see lots of things. And where's it coming from? It's actually coming from Arc, so the Arc theme and the Arc icons. So Horst3180 developed this kind of look, the blue folder here. And he has made some work for the Mint, Linux and Mint guys, and they are using that particular folder as well. So the SVG has been well relayed, or has been created, so every folder has a different kind of color, as you see. So that gives you the advantage to choose the color you like. If you say, I'm gonna go for red today, I'm feeling all red, then you just do that, and then Control, so super shift enter, it's gonna be all in red. So it's super easy, also very crisp folders. I do like them, the Arc folders, and it's available. Now we have still the surfn here. Surfn arc icons are present. It's not gonna be the surfn arc KDE, so meaning some of the things will be different because we've created the surfn arc theme for just Plasma, right? So if you want to go back, I have to look where it is because I have a lot here. Surfn Arc Breeze is the one that's actually created for just ArcoLinux Plasma. So there you go, another new icon theme. You just choose whatever you want, and now we're back in blue. All right, have fun.